Usale ngudestroya i-career yakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns. Maybe Orlando Pirates ijaje hashi cause mina bengimprotect uSaleng kakhulu futhi kancane ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates yamcindezela but uyaqhubeka nalento yakhe yokunyamalala even naku-Sundowns. uMikel Cardoso uconfirmile izolo ukuthi uSaleng bekumele ayodlala i-final. Imagine bafethu i-final ye-CAF Champions League zangafika umuntu wakhona. Zangafika ku-final. La kudlalelwa into eserious. CAF Champions League final Sundowns igijimisa i-Stars S2 akezwe uSaleng. What is wrong ngoSaleng? Khona izinto ezi-wrong kuye mentally, khona izinto ezi-wrong around yena, why angakwazi ukuphatha as a professional footballer cause I remember even noJose Rivero mekuthiwa akakhulume ngaye laphana ku-Orlando Pirates wathi hayi akazi ukuthi uSaleng kwenzakalani because abantu abaningi they were saying we don't know what's happening with uSaleng. Then what's happening with uSaleng ku-Sundowns. Sundowns imthengile ku-Orlando Pirates ngama-millions. For the first time empilweni yakhe athengwa uSaleng baspenda ama-millions which is iMamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates bebangasamfuni uSaleng, indaba yakhe ne-Orlando Pirates besephelile bamlona out to i-Orbit College but i-Sundowns still they saw i-value, they went out there, they invested millions ngoSaleng bamnika i-contract ehlakaniphile. So ku-Sundowns manje uSaleng but-ke nang wenza izinto ey'thusayo. Kuthiwa-ke zinasejimini kwezinye iy'nsuku. Khona umuntu bengikhuluma naye uSaleng ngithi ngambona eTorkop manje, it's not like few weeks back ngambona eTorkop. I thought maybe izinto zakhe zi-right, everything is in order. Kanti no, uSaleng uyeza mayefila ngathi ufuna ukuya ejimini uyaya kwamanye amalanga akaya ejimini. And then ucabanga ukuthi mina angibazi uSaleng ukuthi bacabanga kanjani because we've seen ama-players destroy impilo zawo. Bethu une-opportunity enkulu, you getting imali serious proper ku-Sundowns, uthola ama-bonus proper, uthola everything una more than not even 1% of abantu la eSouth Africa abaphila impilo ongayiphila wena just through umsebenzi wakho ngetalent, just ngokudlala ibhola. You don't need to go to school. God's given talent but still awulisebenzisi kahle italent lakho. But amanye ama-questions esingazibuza wona ukuthi is Saleng frustrated na nge-limited game time kuMamelodi Sundowns? What was frustrating uSaleng ku-Orlando Pirates then? Because kuyabonakala ukuthi uyu umuntu oqala iy'nkinga. And what I like about ama-teams, ezinye izinto abavezi kithi in public bafowethu, and bayazama ukuwupressa, bayazama ukuwa-protect ama-player noma kuthiwa i-player libheda kanjani but bona bayazama ukuli-protect i-player but no, leli player lethu soli-protector with everything that we've got until babona ukuthi hayi ayikho-ke indaba yokuprotecta lo muntu lo, ngcono nje sikhulume even in public. We saw even ubani uMbokazi ku-Pirates bamprotecta when he reported late laphana kuBafana Bafana. Amaphutha ayenzeka as abantu angithi, but if uSaleng uzolandelwa ilezi zinto lezi, igama lakho uzolimosha kanje everywhere la yakhona uyinkinga. No, even naku-Orbit College ucoach wathi uSaleng is not committed. Cabanga naku-Orbit College khona nalaba ambeka khona ebhentshini bathi bayamresta but bafuna ukuthi abe right ku-headspace yakhe, abe sharp ukuthi abe ready akwazi ukudeliver for i-team. No, ziyakhala Sithembu but no, khona umuntu ongeke umsize, ngiyaxolisa bafethu kusho lento le, khona umuntu ongeke umsize. Ngeke unikwa ama-opportunities angaka empilweni but still wena you take lawo ma-opportunities for granted, uvele uyanyamalala. Siyakhala. Une-contract ehlakaniphile ku-Sundowns but lento lena inika i-Sundowns i-upper hand ukukhansela i-contract yakhe nge-misconduct. Yabo if akaphathi kahle kanje i-Sundowns ingavele ikhansele i-contract yakhe angatholi lutho ngoba uyo misbehavior. BoSaleng bafethu kumele bakhula, ayikho indaba. There's no way ukule situation lena but uphatha ngalendlela lo uphatha ngayo. Saleng is disappointing. Yes, mina uyangiphoxa uSaleng ngoba bengicabanga ukuthi u-matured ku-Sundowns manje ukhulile nakubam offer i-chance enkulu but still ufaka ku-Sundowns if uphatha kahle ku-Sundowns bekazoba ne-chance even yokubuyela laphana kuBafana Bafana. And with the competition ekhona laphana ku-Sundowns bafethu uyabona ukuthi manje basayina ama-players different na creative abange-position noSaleng because mawubheka lama-player ku-Sundowns even no ubani uVan Wyk lo simbonile, I think is playing even more central or as number 10 angakayitholi position yakhe laphana ku-Sundowns but ukwazi ukudlala as number 10, ukwazi ukudlala as wing. So uyi-direct competition kaSaleng. oMayilula same thing, uyakwazi ukudlala ekusayidini, uyakwazi ukudlala as u-number 10. Kunama-players oMatthews, kunoLetlhaka, kunama-players a-different laphana ku-Sundowns. Niyabona ukuthi i-competition kunzima kakhulu. So when you are given an opportunity to play ibhola, I mean it's only 10 years ku-professional setup, 10 years or so. You are lucky if ufika ku-10 years unama-opportunities. Umjita mina uyangiphoxa, angeke uyangiphoxa. Umuntu esizokhuluma ngayo in the next few years sithi ngiyamkhumbula uSaleng ngadeliver for i-Orlando Pirates. Kanti what is wrong ngama-players? Is it ama-players themselves or is it abantu? Because if you are surrounded by abantu abakuthandayo, abantu okuthandayo uzokutshela iqiniso. There's no way ngibe surrounded by abantu abangifavor, abangithanda ngokweqiniso, bangangitshela ukuthi yabona-ke la Nkululeko uyabheda. So kusho ukuthi abamtshela abantu bakhe, ngoba ngiyawazi amajita, futhi amajita ayenzisana bafowethu, azokutshela azothi mfana, wena bayakuncenga lapha yabona, noma kuthiwa awuyanga, uyintsha wena, amanye ama-team futhi asazokusayina nawe ube uregister lento lena engqondweni yakho ukuthi hayi bezwa ngawe, then uzozithola mfana ubuyele elokishini. Ayikho. And noma ungaba ne-2 million manje ebhenke, abantu funny, thina abantu siyamangaza. Ubona ngathi i-current state yakho noma isikhathi samanje, njengoba una-2 million or una-800,000, ubona ngathi imali le ngeke iphele, you-unstoppable, noma bangaxosha unandaba ngoba une-positive bank balance until kungangeni lutho-ke mfana, uzobona ukuthi no, you messed up. From Bafana, from umuntu benquma abantu kuma-knockout competitions ku-Orlando Pirates, umuntu wazi-introduce kahle, to manje umuntu osengcolisa igama lakhe. Iyiphi team, i-Sundowns asithiwe i-Sundowns yam-release, iyiphi team ezo ngeke imsayine i-Pirates back, there's no way. Ngeke imsayine, hayi Kaizer Chiefs-ke uma une-reputation engcolile, angeke ikusayine, khohlwa-ke. So uzoyaphi uSaleng after i-Sundowns, cause manje ulandelwa angazi noma ngithi isichitho noma yini bafowethu lento lemlandelayo, noma lento ekuye yokuthi uvela umoshe abantu bakubo. I-Sundowns imsayine lo mjita limele, bamsayine elimele lo muntu lo, ulimele, but i-Sundowns babonisa ifaith kuwe, bathi hayi mfethu siyafuna ukukusayina, bakusayine bakunike i-contract ehlakaniphile, but still wena uthi hayi uyabheda. Lo muntu beka ku-Orbit College uSaleng, indaba yakhe seyiphelile. Imagine uku-Orbit College team engaphefumi, naku bayi-relegateile nokuyi-relegate i-Orbit College, ngabe ukuphi yena uSaleng as a player if i-Sundowns beyingariskanga kuye? Orlando Pirates imgcine futhi iyazi ukuthi uneyinkinga, ingamdlalisi 2027 June mayiphela i-contract yakhe. Orlando Pirates bekazoyaphi? Bamnika i-contract enjani? I-hype yakhe bekuphelile. But uMichael Cardoso uthe indaba kaSaleng bayazama bafethu kumsupporta, but ngathi kunzima ukusebenza noSaleng. Ngeke baphinde bamthembe ku-Sundowns, cause manje if uyabuya uSaleng, u-Sundowns bayamprefera, bamnika ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale, futhi amanye ama-players azothi hayibo, kanti kule team ino-operator kanjani, nikwazi ukuxolela abantu, uyambona ukuthi umuntu uyabheda lo, but niyakwazi ukumxolela, but-ke abanye abantu babehave kahle. Well, there's nothing wrong ukuxolela umuntu, yabo, there's nothing wrong, but-ke what about amanye ama-player aphatha kahle, amanye ama-player atraina kanzima, ayabehave, athola ukuthi lawo ma-players awanikwa ama-opportunities. Even if uSaleng uyalungisa into zakhe in the next few weeks or so, if uyabuya ethimini azofila kanjani amanye ama-player behavior. So ngicela ukuzibambalana kwamanje bafethu, ngithi danko, sibuyile. This is Nkululeko.